Okay, next one, loop. Loop is an actions or is a statement that help you to run n times of iterations. So it depends on what is the iterations or how many iterations that you want it to run. In Python programming, there's two types of loop. The first one is while loop, and then the second one is for loop. Later I will show you how do you do in for loop. As for while loop, I think you can just go and search out there. It's very simple on that. I will show you how to use for loop because most of the time, I would say 80 to 90% of my development, I'll use a lot of for loop instead of while loop. Loop. Let me show you the code. Okay. Let's say I want to print welcome to Python programming. Okay. If I want to print this one, 10 times. I will need to copy and paste 10 times. That you print out 10 times. But this is something what we call hard code. As a developer, it's a hard rule that we don't encourage you to do hard coding because it's a very bad habit to do hard code, and that it will be you'll be very, very troublesome for you to move on to the next versions, or you want to change anything, and then it's very hard for applications to do scaling. In order for you to print out 10 times, we can use loop. And then another reason we use loop is because the code itself will be much neater and tidy. And then, of course, when your code is tidy and neat, the performance of the code will improve as well. So for example, if I want to loop 10 times, I want to print this statement 10 times, I can use for index in range 0. Now, I want to show you what is index. So I will use index dot. So be aware of this output. Over here, I have welcome to Python programming only. But using this code, I will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 until 9. So over here this tells me that this is the first iteration, second iteration, third, fourth, and so on and so forth until 9. So what does this line of code means? Range 0 to 10 is to tell the Python to give you a list of value from 0 to 9. So the logic here is at the end index, it will always -1. So I will run until 0 to 9. Let's say if I want 10 in my loop, I just need to change to 11. Then I run it again, then I will have 10 over here. But I will have 11 items. In programming, all the index start from 0. We don't start at 1. Programming start from 0. So be very careful on indexing when we are playing around with list or loop. Okay.